November 17th, 2010. It's about 1 in the morning. This is a story off the Chicago Tribune. International investors issue global warming warning. A group responsible for more than $15 trillion in assets called on nations to combat climate change or face severe economic disruptions. Reporting from Washington, a group of international investors responsible for more than $15 trillion assets called Tuesday for the world's nations, particularly the United States, to move decisively to combat climate change or face economic disruptions worse than the global recession of the last 2 years. The statement, signed by 259 asset managers and asset owners whose holdings account for 1/4 of the global capitalization, was aimed at the world's leaders who will meet in 2 weeks in Cancun, Mexico for a United Nations conference on climate change. Can you say pushing the carbon tax? The financiers were also sending a warning to Washington that the economy is losing the chance to attract new investment capital because of the gridlock on climate change policy. A stalemate likely to intensify in the months ahead as the new Republican majority in the House moves forward with plans to investigate climate science and the Obama administration's policies, which really needs to be done. Let's get back to the table and do what must be done to fight the climate change and capitalize private investment into low-carbon technologies scam, said Jack Ehens, Chief Executive of the California State Teachers Retirement System, a $142 billion public pension fund. The economic opportunities are enormous for nations with the foresight to seize them, while the risk of inaction are potentially catastrophic. So here comes the gloom and doom story. And in 2 weeks, they're all going to meet in Cancun, Mexico to discuss your new carbon tax.